this data table is there, right? There are two type of data tables. One is design time data table. One is runtime data table. So keep in mind. So don't forget this one. Design time data table and runtime data table. Okay. So this is what we are seeing here. No, this is design time data table. Okay. One which will be available in the result. No, that is a runtime data table. Uh, okay, once you run the test script now, there you in the results window there will be a table format on icon will be there. Okay, I will show you that. Yesterday we have created. Okay, here we are seeing it. This is the design time data table. Okay, now I will once I run this one, no, the same data will be available in the runtime data table. So this will be created by the quick test to hold live version of data table. Okay, are you getting?
Yes.
There are two type of data tables. One is design time data table and runtime data table. So the name is itself is mentioning saying that design time data table. So we are designing the data table by mentioning the inputs here in the data table, which is visible in the QTP tool. Okay, and the runtime data table won't be visible. So it will be available only after the results. Okay. Let me complete. Uh, Yesterday, the script which I shared was working fine.
I just downloaded the.
So, design time data table is sheet used to store the data for the test, which is displayed at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and it has some of the characteristics, and it uses the Microsoft Excel of 2003 version only. XLS. It doesn't support XLS X. Okay. If you are trying to import any Excel, you can import the external data also over here. Okay, that we'll see now. Okay, but it will support only XLS format. It doesn't support XLS X. If you have 2010 or 2007, no, while saving the Excel sheet, you have to save it as a 97 in 2003 format. That is .xls. It supports only that .xls.
Okay.
Okay, I'll show you. I'll create one Excel file. So I have 2000 MS of Microsoft 2007. Okay. I'll save it as 2007 only.
Okay.
I'll close that. I'll take a new test. Now I'll try to import from outside. Sorry, I took other one. See, all files. It is when I select all files, it is showing the users and there is the QA training agreement is there, right? It will as I told, it supports only XLS. That is why it is listing only XLS files. Okay, if I select the which we created now, it will not load that data over here. So because it supports only .xls files. Okay, how to do that is, you know it, right? How to save the Excel file into XLS when you create it. Open Excel, enter data, and go to this. Select a save as. From the save as type, select Excel 97 2003 workbook. Okay, use the name whatever you want. Okay, and save. Now try to import. Okay, now you are able to see users which we created now. So there the labels got created. So by default, so what we understood here is the QTP accepts only .xls format files, and the first row will be treated as a column name. First row of Excel sheet which we are going to import in the data table will be treated as a column name. Are you getting me?